Break down this particular movement that I'm doing. Okay, so we'll be in the key of F. So if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video you'll be the first to get it. Okay, so we are in the key of F. So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. The same as the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You have a little seconds to do something. Okay, so you can do this particular movement. Okay, it's more of like diminished workout. Alright, so I'll play like that. Okay, alright, so what is that? I'm doing this. Okay, like I said, we are doing the E, we are doing the F, then we are doing the F sharp. Okay, so like this. Then you hit this chord. Okay, the C, E flat, F sharp and A. Then you do the same thing. Okay, so this is inversion. When you place the C back, it will be like this. So the same chord, we are doing inversion. Alright, so here you play the G, you play the G sharp, then you play the A. Okay, okay, in this sequence. Okay, alright, so one more time. Then you play the chord. Alright, I already said that this is the 2. Okay, okay, so this melody. Okay, so that is the melody. Okay, so we'll be playing with chords. Okay, the first chord, play. Alright, then alright, so okay, basically I'm doing the E flat and E flat. Right hand is doing the G, C, D and G. Alright, alright, basically I'm doing the 2, then I'm doing the okay, let me mention the 2. I'm doing the G, D, F. Right hand is doing the G sharp, the B, the D and the F. Then this, okay, the 5. Alright, then we do 6, 7, 3. Okay, the 3 will be on the D. Okay, so then we do the D. Alright, then we do this alright, my left hand is doing the B. Alright, the B, F sharp and B, then this. Alright, the B flat, E flat and the G, but I'm flipping from the C sharp. Alright, then do. Alright, the chord that we did here, we just hit it, you slash it. Okay, alright, second time that you come again, you are going to change the chords altogether. Okay, so the second time you do this, then we did in the earlier one like this. Alright, 3, 2, then 3, 4, then 1, 7. Alright, but the one I'm doing a flip here. Alright, 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. 1, 7. I'm doing the 1 7 1 7. Okay. All right. So the chord is the C, D, and A. Then it will turn to this. All right. So then we do 1 7 6. All right. So you know you will sound like this. So you are worthy, lifted up, awesome God. You are worthy, lifted up, mighty God. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming your way. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Bye.